Welcome to Newbie Coop.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Welcome back to Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz. Today, we're gonna make some taco brats, and like always, the odds are always against me here. It's super windy today. I mean, it is ripping through here, through the alley, through the cook shack alley, as I'm starting to deem it. And you know, we're just gonna do what we can with what we got. I got some taco brats. These are actual taco brats. I don't know if you can see that or not, but taco brats, and they're like a brat made with some taco seasoning, basically is all it is. I got some hot dogs we're gonna cook up. I got a bunch of toppings, and we're gonna make taco brats. So, and then hot dogs for the kids, of course. We're not making taco hot dogs. I just kind of going with my hot dog theme, my little hot dog series of stuff. I don't know what to call it, but anyway, it is what it is. Let's get cooking. The grill's getting hot. We're gonna clean it real quick, throw these taco brats on, and throw the hot dogs on and get them cooked up, and then we'll get one assembled. Making some brats here. I had to bring you guys inside because of the wind, but check this out. Little brat. I made some, this is onions and green peppers mixed with a little Malcolm Reed's How to Barbecue Right Grande Gringo. So make a little bit more Mexican-y, spicy-ish. Alright, we're going to throw down some cheese. Here, I'm going to get the cheese out. I didn't open the cheese. My fault, y'all. My fault. Alright, throwing some cheese down. Just a little bit of cheese on there. A little mixture of cheese. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Now, we got some of this Old El Paso queso sauce. We're just going to sprinkle a little queso sauce on there. A little more up there. We got some mild taco sauce. Throw a little taco sauce on it. Maybe if I get it open. Taco sauce. Like that. Then I got some homemade crema or crema fresca or whatever you want to call it. Basically just sour cream with some more How to Barbecue Right Grande Gringo in it. So look at that. There you go. Taco brat, baby. Taco brats. Alright guys, check that out. See if it'll focus. Ooh, baby. Taco brats. Let's give it a shot. Oh, buddy. That's legit right there, man. I'm going to eat. Bye. Alright, y'all, that's it for me. I'm going to go eat. Go hit that link down below. It'll take you to my Facebook and my Instagram page, my Twitter page, and my merch page. You guys can buy a shirt. Help me out. You know, this cooking stuff ain't exactly cheap. You can also go to our podcast. If you want to like listening to podcasts, you can find us on Google Play. You can find us on iTunes. You can find us on Spotify. We also have a YouTube channel now. I should have that link up eventually to get to that. You can find us on all that stuff. Also, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. On a roll with the wiener videos here. So, anyway, we'll see you guys next time on another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out. Deuce.